Watermelons, they're not just a fruit, they're a symbol of summer, a beacon of warm, sunny days and outdoor fun. They're big, they're juicy, and they scream summertime, from picnics to barbecues. Watermelons are a staple that brings people together, but have you ever stopped to think about how these massive fruits go from vine to picnic table? It's a journey that starts with a tiny seed and ends with a delicious, refreshing treat. It's a fascinating journey that involves a lot more than meets the eye. From the moment the seed is planted, it requires careful nurturing, the right amount of water, and plenty of sunshine. Trust me, I've gotten my hands dirty on watermelon farms, and it's a tough job. The farmers work tirelessly, battling the elements and pests to ensure a good harvest. Thankfully, these days, farmers have some serious help from technology. We're talking heavy machinery, advanced sensors, and even a little bit of artificial intelligence. These tools help monitor the health of the plants, optimize watering schedules, and even predict the best time to harvest. And even a little bit of artificial intelligence. Drones fly over the fields, capturing data that helps farmers make informed decisions. It's farming like you've never seen before. All of this comes together to make sure we get the freshest, tastiest watermelons possible. Once harvested, the watermelons are carefully sorted and packed, ensuring only the best ones make it to your table. So the next time you crack open a cold one, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and innovation that went into getting it there. It's not just a fruit, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the joy of summer. Knowing when to pick a watermelon is crucial. It's not just about the size or the color of the rind. Timing is everything, and a lot of factors come into play. The weather, the soil, and even the specific variety of watermelon can all influence the perfect moment for harvest. Farmers have to be vigilant and patient, constantly monitoring their crops to ensure they pick the melons at their peak ripeness. You can't just yank it off the vine and hope for the best. Watermelons are delicate fruits, and improper handling can lead to bruising or even spoilage. The process requires a gentle touch and a keen eye. Farmers often use specialized tools to carefully cut the melon from the vine, ensuring that the fruit remains intact and undamaged. There are telltale signs that a watermelon is ripe and ready for harvest. One of the most reliable indicators is the sound it makes when tapped. A ripe watermelon will produce a deep hollow sound, while an unripe one will sound more solid. Additionally, the skin of the watermelon should be firm and resistant to pressure. If it gives easily, the fruit may be overripe. For starters, that pale spot on the bottom, it should be a creamy yellow color. This spot, known as the field spot, indicates that the watermelon has been resting on the ground and ripening in the sun. A white or greenish spot suggests that the fruit is not yet fully ripe. The color of the field spot is a crucial clue for farmers as they decide which melons to harvest. And that little curly tendril near the stem. It'll be dry and brown when the time is right. This tendril is one of the most reliable indicators of ripeness. When it turns brown and dries out, it means that the watermelon has stopped drawing nutrients from the vine and is ready to be picked. Farmers rely on this natural signal to ensure they harvest the fruit at its peak. Traditionally, farmers would hand harvest every single watermelon. This method, while labor-intensive, allows for careful selection and handling of each fruit. Farmers can inspect each melon individually, ensuring that only the ripest and best quality fruits are picked. This hands-on approach has been used for generations and is still practiced in many small farms today. It's back-breaking work, and it takes a lot of time. The physical demands of hand harvesting are significant, and it requires a skilled and dedicated workforce. Workers often spend long hours in the field, bending and lifting heavy melons under the hot sun. Despite the challenges, many farmers believe that this traditional method results in the highest quality produce. But these days, more and more farms are turning to mechanical harvesters. These machines have revolutionized the way watermelons are harvested, making the process faster and more efficient. Mechanical harvesters can cover large areas of farmland in a fraction of the time it would take a human crew. They are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to handle the fruit gently, minimizing damage and ensuring that the melons remain in perfect condition. These machines use gentle arms and conveyor belts to pluck the melons from the vine without bruising them. Efficiency is key here. The use of mechanical harvesters not only speeds up the process but also reduces labor costs and increases overall productivity. Farmers can harvest more melons in less time, ensuring that the fruit reaches the market at its freshest. Harvesting during the cooler hours of the day also helps keep the watermelons from getting stressed out. The early morning or late evening hours are ideal for harvesting as the temperatures are lower and the risk of heat stress is minimized. This practice helps maintain the quality and freshness of the fruit, ensuring that consumers receive the best possible product. Once those watermelons are off the vine, the clock is ticking. They need to be washed, sorted, and cooled down as quickly as possible to maintain freshness. That's where post-harvest processing comes in. First up, they get a good scrub down to remove any dirt or debris. Then they're sorted by size and quality. Only the best melons make the cut for shipping. Finally, they're cooled down to their ideal storage temperature, which helps slow down the ripening process and prevents spoilage. It's all about getting those watermelons to your grocery store as fresh as possible. Section 4. The technology of watermelon farming. We've talked about harvesting, but technology plays a huge role in every stage of watermelon farming, starting with the soil. Soil health is the foundation of a successful watermelon crop. Farmers now use advanced soil analysis tools to measure pH levels, moisture content, and nutrient availability. This data helps them make informed decisions about what amendments are needed to create the perfect growing environment. Getting the soil just right is essential for healthy watermelon plants. The right balance of nutrients and proper soil structure can make a significant difference in the growth and yield of the crop. Farmers often use organic matter and compost to enrich the soil, ensuring it is fertile and well drained. That's where specialized machinery comes in. Modern farming equipment has revolutionized the way we prepare the soil. Machines can now perform multiple tasks simultaneously, such as tilling, fertilizing, and even planting cover crops to protect the soil during off-seasons. Tractors equipped with GPS-guided plows and tillers create perfectly level fields and ensure the soil is loose and aerated for optimal root growth. These high-tech tractors can follow precise paths, reducing soil compaction and improving efficiency. This technology not only saves time but also reduces fuel consumption and labor costs. And then there's the planting process. Planting watermelon seeds used to be a labor-intensive task, but now, with the advent of automated planting machinery, it has become much more efficient. Automated seeders can plant thousands of watermelon seeds per hour, spacing them out perfectly to maximize yield. These machines ensure that each seed is planted at the correct depth and distance, which is crucial for uniform growth and optimal fruit production. Technology isn't just about making things easier, it's about making things better. By integrating advanced technology into every stage of watermelon farming, from soil preparation to planting, farmers can achieve higher yields, better quality fruit, and more sustainable practices. This not only benefits the farmers, but also ensures that consumers get the best possible produce. Section 5. Packing for freshness. After the watermelons are washed and sorted, they're whisked away to the packing line. This is where things get high-tech. Automated systems gently brush and clean each melon before applying those colorful labels you see at the store. Then, the watermelons are carefully placed into sturdy cardboard boxes designed to protect them during transport. These boxes are stacked onto pallets and prepped for their journey to distribution centers. The whole process is a marvel of efficiency and organization. Section 6. Distribution and beyond. Now comes the final leg of the journey. Refrigerated trucks are the unsung heroes of the watermelon industry. They keep those melons cool and fresh as they travel hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles to reach supermarkets and grocery stores near you. Temperature control is crucial here. Even a few degrees can make a difference in the shelf life and quality of the fruit. And thanks to GPS tracking, distributors can monitor the location and temperature of those trucks every step of the way. Section 7. The future of watermelon. So what does the future hold for watermelon farming? Well, if the past is any indication, it's going to be even more high-tech. We're talking drones that can monitor crop health from the air, robots that can pick and pack watermelons with incredible precision, and data and analytics that can help farmers optimize every aspect of their operations. The goal? To produce even more delicious, sustainable and affordable watermelons for everyone to enjoy. It's an exciting time to be a watermelon lover, and I, for one, can't wait to see what the future holds.